Welcome to Coin Hunter UK. Today, we're examining the 2015 5 pence coin. Make sure to hit that subscribe button as we hunt for rare treasures in your change. This was a transition year for UK coins. Could yours be a rare variety or a lucky find? Let's find out right now. Have you ever looked at this tiny coin and realized you're holding a piece of a much larger mystery? This 5 pence coin isn't just pocket change. It's actually a single piece of a magnificent national puzzle. You see, back in 2008, the Royal Mint did something genius. They took the iconic Royal Shield of Arms and split it across 6 different coins. If you gather every denomination, from the 1 penny all the way up to the 50 pence, and arrange them just right, they lock together to reveal the complete shield of the United Kingdom. Today, I'm going to take you behind the scenes of how this brilliant idea was born, the secret connections behind its design, and why this specific 2015 minting carries a story of a nation in transition. The mastermind behind this revolutionary design is a man named Matthew Dent. Now, here's the incredible part. Back in 2005, the Royal Mint opened a competition to the public to redesign Britain's coinage, the first major change in 40 years. While most veteran artists were stuck in traditional ways, Matthew, a 26-year-old graphic designer at the time, decided to think outside the box. He envisioned the coins not as individual pieces of metal, but as a collective canvas. His concept of the jigsaw shield was so daring and unique that it beat out over 4,000 other entries. It was a historic moment where a young, creative mind literally changed the face of British currency, turning every citizen's pocket into a gallery of modern art. The year was 2005, and the Royal Mint was looking for a change, the first major overhaul of British coins in over 40 years. They launched a nationwide competition, inviting everyone to submit their vision for the future of the UK's currency. Enter Matthew Dent, a young graphic designer with a vision that would shatter all conventions. While other artists were focusing on traditional symbols like single animals or plants, Matthew did something that had never been done in the history of numismatics. He proposed a radical jigsaw concept, treating the coins as a shared canvas rather than individual pieces. His idea was a total game-changer, proving that even the most ancient traditions can be reimagined through the eyes of a creative genius. Here is where the magic happens. Matthew Dent's masterstroke was taking the Royal Shield of Arms, the ultimate symbol of British sovereignty, and strategically dividing it into 6 distinct parts. He turned our everyday coins into a literal jigsaw puzzle. If you look closely at this 5 pence coin, you'll notice it's not just a random pattern, it is the exact heart of that shield. It sits right in the center, capturing the meeting point of the 4 quarters of the coat of arms. When you lay down the 1p, 2p, 5p, 10p, 20p, and 50p coins in their correct positions, they seamlessly lock together to reconstruct the full majestic shield. It's a brilliant hidden-in-plain-sight design that turns every person carrying change into a collector of a royal masterpiece. Now, let's look even closer at the details on this 5p coin. The intricate design you see is a segment of the royal arms, and that powerful lion's paw visible on the surface carries centuries of history. In heraldry, these lions, known as passant guardant, represent the strength of England and Scotland. Specifically, the 1st and 4th quarters of the shield feature the 3 lions of England, while the 2nd quarter houses the rampant lion of Scotland. By placing this specific part of the lion on the 5 pence coin, the designer ensured that the core identity of the United Kingdom is literally held in the palm of your hand. It's a subtle yet bold reminder of the historical union and the royal heritage that these nations share. You have to understand, this coin is far more than just currency or a way to pay for your coffee. It is a modern masterpiece that carries the weight of over 300 years of British royal identity. What Matthew Dent achieved was truly remarkable. He took a centuries-old heraldic tradition, something that lived on stone castles and ancient parchment, and reimagined it for the 21st century. It's a bridge between the past and the present. Every time you hold this 5p coin, you are holding a piece of history that has been refined through generations of kings and queens, now distilled into a sleek, contemporary design that fits right in your pocket. It's a reminder that even in a digital world, the symbols of our heritage remain solid, tangible, and timeless. Now, let's talk about the world this coin was born into. In 2014 and 2015, the United Kingdom was at a fascinating crossroads. Economically, the country was finally finding its footing again, slowly recovering and stabilizing after years of global financial uncertainty. But behind the scenes, a massive technological shift was happening at the Royal Mint. They weren't just making money, they were innovating. During this exact period, the Mint was developing cutting-edge technology to make British coins some of the most secure in the world. So, when you look at this 2015 coin, you're looking at a product of a nation that was rebuilding its strength and using high-tech precision to protect the very future of its physical currency. Beyond the art and the economy, there was a high-stakes political drama unfolding. In 2014, the United Kingdom faced one of its biggest challenges, the Scottish independence referendum. The very future of the Union was hanging in the balance. In this tense atmosphere, the Royal Shield coins took on a whole new level of importance. These coins weren't just for spending, they were a silent, powerful message of unity. By using a design where the symbols of England, Scotland, and Northern Ireland literally locked together to form one unbreakable shield, the government was sending a psychological reminder to every citizen. Every time someone held this 5p coin, they were holding a piece of a united nation, reinforcing the idea that the UK is stronger together than it is apart. The year 2015 wasn't just another date on the calendar, it was a historic milestone for the British monarchy. This was the exact year Queen Elizabeth II officially became the longest reigning monarch in British history, surpassing the record set by Queen Victoria. If you look at the heads side of your 2015 coin, you are looking at a specific era of her legacy. This is the fourth definitive portrait of the Queen, captured by the talented sculptor Ian Rank Broadley. It shows a mature, dignified queen wearing the girls of Great Britain and Ireland tiara. Holding this coin is like holding a souvenir from a record-breaking year, a golden moment in time when the world stood still to honor a reign that spanned generations. Now, we get to the question that I know every single one of you is thinking right now. Can this 2015 5p coin actually make you rich? Is it possible that you're carrying a small fortune in your pocket or your spare change jar without even knowing it? In the world of coin collecting, sometimes the most ordinary-looking coins hold the most extraordinary secrets. People all over the UK and the world are constantly hunting for that one specific minting that could be worth hundreds, or even thousands of pounds. But before you go out and try to spend it, you need to know exactly what to look for, because the difference between 5p and a collector's prize is all in the tiniest details. Now, let's talk numbers. While most 5p coins are worth exactly their face value, a rare mint error could turn this small piece of metal into a jackpot. Collectors are willing to pay a premium for mistakes that shouldn't exist. For instance, a die rotation error, where the Queen's head is upside down compared to the shield, can easily fetch £500 to £1,000. Then there's the off-center strike, where the design is shifted to one side, leaving a blank crescent. These are highly sought after and can reach upwards of £2,000. Even more valuable is a wrong planchet error, where the 5p design is accidentally struck on a copper or gold-colored blank meant for another coin. These museum-grade pieces have been known to sell for over £5,000. But the holy grail of numismatics is the double-struck or multi-error coin, where multiple catastrophic mistakes happen at once. While rare, top-tier error coins from prestigious eras have been appraised in the extreme collector's market for staggering amounts, sometimes reaching toward a symbolic £1 million valuation in unique auctions for history's most flawless mistakes. So, before you spend it, check every edge. You might just be holding a fortune.